And go! Hurry up, because I have to pee. Here comes Andrea with Tom and Relic. Tom's not really my horse, but I ride him anyway, and Relic is her horse to keep. And hurry up, because I really have to pee. And here, and here they come.
This is why you wear pants.
Little stop and go. Nice. 4 horses gallop to a deadly beat. Didn't that scare you?
Yeah.
That's funny.
I'll show you how you turn around with 2 horses. Ooh. Okay. Just keep filming.
I'm filming. Don't worry, Relic. I'm not going to hurt you. That's Relic. Look. Blacktail, browntail. Hey dude, I just noticed something. They both have white socks on their back legs.
I do. That's how you turn.
And Tom wants to go that way.
It's like, ah. Maybe you should get on Tom.
Not.
Hey.
Okay. And
Ta!